Assalamualaikum friends, welcome to my channel Code Seekers. Are you a Facebook and Twitter user and want to get the attention on Facebook and Twitter and want to impress your followers and friends by posting in different ways? Then you are at the right place. Just watch this video and you will know how you can attract your followers by posting in different styles. As how to make attractive Facebook posts. Don't you know? As Facebook and Twitter don't allow us to bold, italic and change font of text while posting on walls, comments and pages and while we are tweeting. So how we can use these options, as when we are using Facebook and Twitter we often want to use these options, like want to bold our text by making want to prominent the heading of anything that we are posting. But Facebook and Twitter don't allow us these options by default. Then how we can use this? Want to know? Do you want to know this? Then you are at the right place. Just watch this video till end and you will learn how you can do this in very easy way. So let's start. To post in different fonts and styles on Facebook and Twitter, the only thing that you need is to open a website. The link of this website is given in the description of this video. Just open the website. When the website has been opened, see, here is your text. Just write here what you want to post. Let's say hello friends. And see, this website has automatically generated the same text in too many fonts and styles. As you can see here, there are too many fonts and here you can copy that font that you want. Let's say I want to use this one. Just copy it, and after copying this, just open your Facebook or Twitter where you want to paste this and just paste it here. And you can see it has been pasted in the same font that they were showing in this website. And then you can post it. And after posting, you can see it has been posted in the same font that they were showing here. While if you simply write hello world here, hello friends here, there is no option on Facebook to make this text bold or italic or use such different font styles that we have previously used. So using this website, you can use too many different fonts, and the same thing you can do it in comments, like this one. Copy this. You can also use these fonts in comments and paste it here. You can see you can also use these fonts in your comments on your timeline and as well as on any page. As let's say, you can also use these text styles on posting at any page or group anywhere on Facebook as well as Twitter. As let's say again, posting it on the page or in the messenger. On the page, and you can see it has been pasted in the same style. So now let's check it on Twitter too. Let's write something else here. Let's post in different styles. Now paste any font style that you want. Let's say this one. Copy it and paste it where you want to post. And see, it has been posted in the same font. So in this way you can make your post attractive on Facebook and Twitter and can attract your friends' attention and your followers' attention by posting in different fonts and styles. I hope you like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends and enjoy on Facebook and Twitter. Thank you.